So here's our last example with division. It says the sun has a diameter of about 1.4 times 10 to the 6 kilometers. The moon's diameter is about 3.5 times 10 cubed kilometers. How many times as great as the diameter of the moon is the diameter of the sun? This is math here. So again, that has lots of words, so we're going to read it again. So the sun, that's the important part, has a diameter of about 1.4 times 10 to the 6 kilometers. The moon's diameter is about 3.5 times 10 cubed kilometers. Now this sentence might be a little bit confusing here. It says how many times as great as the diameter of the moon is the diameter of the sun. Now some of you, as soon as you see this word times, you're going to think, oh, I got to do multiplication. But that's not right. You got to read the whole sentence. So it says how many times as great. So that means they want to know what is the ratio between the two numbers that we're looking at. Okay? So since the sun is bigger, we're going to have the diameter of the sun. I'll write this in a different color. Divided by the diameter of the moon. Okay. So we're actually doing division in this problem. So we know that the diameter of the sun is 1.4 times 10 to the 6 over 3.5 times 10 to the 3rd kilometers, which is the diameter of the moon. So now that we have the problem set up, we're doing the division just like we were doing before. So 1.4 divided by 3.5, because I divide my coefficients first. And again, you can pop that in the calculator. And that's going to give me 0.4 times 10, and I subtract my exponent since it's division, 6 minus 3, which some of you don't have to do that step, and that's okay. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Now some of you are wondering, is this my final answer? And I hope you say no, because the number in front of my decimal is not between 1 and 9. So I need to move my decimal back 1. So I now get 4 times 10, because this number would need to be made smaller to go back to this form. I need to subtract 1 since I only moved 1 spot, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Let me rewrite that answer just to make it look like an actual exponent there. So 4 times 10 squared kilometers should be my unit. We should always put units when they give them to us. This would be my final answer here. Okay. And then your exit slip for today. So you need to divide 5.6 times 10 to the 6th divided by 3.7 times 10 to the 6th. And your homework is that worksheet in your packet, okay? I didn't particularly like the problems in the book, so I gave you a worksheet instead. So have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.